So now let's look at what happens when Alice spends a bill to see how to solve the double spending problem. So at the end of this protocol, Alice will have a message like this, where each one of these identity pairs is one of those pairs of hashes. To spend the bill, Alice sends the bill to Kathy, and Kathy sends a challenge back to Alice. And what the challenge is a list of m random bits. These will tell Alice which parts of the identity she needs to open. So in order for Kathy to accept the bill, what Alice has to do now is for each one of these, validate one part of the hash. So if Kathy's challenge bit was 0, what Alice has to provide is the 0 part of identity 1. And remember what identity 1 is the hash of the 0 part of identity 1 concatenated with the hash of the 1 part, where the property we need is that these two values XOR to Alice. If the challenge is 1, then it'll send the 1 part of the corresponding identity, and so on. So now Kathy can validate these hashes, so she's going to check that this matches the value sent by Alice, and we'll do that for all the identities. If they all match, Kathy accepts the bill. When she deposits it, she sends these I values to the bank. So suppose Alice tries to spend the bill again. This time she'll send it to Doug. Doug will do the same protocol. He'll make a challenge, send that challenge to Alice, get back the I values, but they'll be the ones corresponding to his challenge, and he'll do the same check before accepting the bill. And now Doug can deposit the bill, sending along the same I values. So now what does the bank have? Well, it has both parts of one of the I values, as long as one of these challenge bits is different. The bank knows there was double spending because it saw our K value twice. It also knows the identity of the person who obtained that bill because it can XOR the 0 part of identity 1, which it received from Kathy when she deposited the bill, with the 1 part of that identity, which the bank received from Doug when he deposited the bill. So now the bank can tell the police to arrest Alice for double spending a bill. So to see that you understand all this, the question is, if Alice spends a bill twice, and M, the number of identities included in the bill, is 10, what's the probability that she gets caught?